Okay student, this is question number 2 of exercise 6.1 and the chapter name is squares and square roots. Let's read the question first. The following numbers are not perfect square. Question is already saying you the following numbers are not perfect square. I have done question number Roman number 1 and 5. The rest you will do it by yourself. Okay. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reason why it is not a perfect square. You have to give the reasons. And my dears, when I have given you the explanation videos of this chapter, I know some of you have misplaced the explanation videos. Now I'll be uploading everything from this chapter. I'll be uploading everything in the YouTube, so you can get the video anytime you want. Okay, you don't have to save it in your mobile or somewhere. Whenever you need it, you can just open the link and see the videos. Okay, I have already told you that how to find whether the given number is a perfect square or not. Here in this question it is already said it is not a perfect square, but why it is not, you have to give the reason. First, let me write the square of few numbers. See, 1 square will give you 1, 2 square will give you 4, 3 square will give you 9, 4 square will give you 16, 5 square will give you 25, and so on till 10 square will give you 100. Okay, now in this answers, in the square answers, in the squares, write the unit digits. This is 1 only, so we'll write 1. This is 4, we'll write 4. 9, we have written 9 here. In here it is here 16, but we'll take only the unit digit. 6. 25, 5 is the unit digit, we'll write 5. Now see, 36, 6 we have already written, so we'll not write it again. 49, 9 we have already written it. 64, 4 we have already wrote there. 81, 1 again. And in 10 square we got 100, where 0 is in unit place, so we have written 0. But mind one thing, what I have written here, even number of zeros. So what is this for is, I have already told you in the explanation video, if any number ends with this number, these numbers in the unit place, if any number ends with these number in the unit place, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, or even number of zeros, then we can say yes, it is a perfect square. But if the number will not end with these numbers, then it is not a perfect square. That's all, very simple. Like for question number 1, you look at here, what is the number? 1057. And what is the last digit? That means unit digit, it is 7. Is 7 present over here? No. That's why it is not a perfect square. Question has already told you these numbers are not perfect square. Now we have to give the reason. See what I have written here. Perfect square, we know perfect square ends with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 and even number of zeros. I have written this over here. Perfect square ends with 1, 4, 9, 6 and even number of zeros. Here in 1057 ends with 7, so it is not a perfect square. Since the last digit is not present in this group, so it is not a perfect square. If the last digit is present in this group, then yes, it is a perfect square. Are you getting my point? It's very easy, isn't it? Okay, let's see question number 5. Perfect square, we know perfect square ends with 145965, sorry, 14965 and even number of zeros. Here 64000 ends with odd number of zeros because 3 zeros are here, that is 3 is an odd number. So 3 zeros are there. To be a perfect square, 0 should be even in number. Okay, so 2 zeros or 4 zeros or 6 zeros, like that. So here 64,000 ends with odd number of zeros, therefore 64,000 is not a perfect square. It's very easy, isn't it? The rest is your homework. You'll do it in the same way how I have done it here. Okay, let's move to the next video.